Hi, my name is Sam Daly, and I will be showing you how to update your employee status and your company on your LinkedIn profile. So when you first sign in, you will be brought to your home newsfeed, and what you want to do is click on your profile icon, and then click View Profile. You'll scroll down, and to edit this section right here, you will click on this pencil icon right here. This is where you can update your employee status and your company. I'll add a new position. And for this example, I will be using the company Viela Bio. If you actually just start typing it in, it will come up. This is where you say how long you've been working there. And if you click on Update My Industry, that will actually let the biotechnology community on LinkedIn know that you have just joined them. Just putting some lorem ipsum, but this is where you would put in the description of your employment. Media. This will actually show under the description if you would like to add any of those. Scroll down, it is now under your experience. Now, if you have any publications or patents that you would like to publish on LinkedIn, you go to Add Profile section, and it will show you a drop-down menu. Click on Accomplishments, and this is where you can see all of the accomplishments you can add to your profile. If you click on any one of these, you will be brought to a simple form that is clear and self-explanatory, where you can fill out the appropriate information. I hope that helped, and thank you for watching.